First of all, very good morning, viewers, and I hope you will have an interesting week. Coming ahead. Now, coming on Bank Nifty, here we can see easily there is a double bottom formation, right? And the index is now trying to consolidate near that double bottom. So, number one, this is a weekly chart on broader frame. It is a wonderful thing if such things takes place, like a double bottom and a consolidation. Okay, now coming on what we are seeing right now in Bank Nifty. So on daily frame you can easily see there is some sort of breathing, or I will say some sort of sell pressure on the upper areas 23,750, 22,750, 23k, and we have discussed this one zone at least 3 to 5 times in our prior videos as well, and we have already catched the up move which began from 22k in our prior videos to 23k. Now what, leaving that history aside, what could happen today is important. So now for today, the levels of course that are important is 123,750, 22,750, so sorry, okay, so 22,750 is important on the upside, right? And I don't see it easily getting killed away. Number one, 22,750, and do take a zone, not just level. 22,750, 22,850 zone you can see in Bank Nifty is something which will act as a very tough zone now to surpass. Okay, now coming on the other zones, what could take place in the downside? So in the downside, as we discussed earlier multiple time, 22 earlier were 22 350, 22 450 is a strong base. If this cracks out, next zone comes at 22k to 22 100 zone. So overall, for temporary time being, although we on weekly Bank Nifty is very strong, no deny, I see some sort of pullback, not a correction, just a temporary pullback in Bank Nifty, which will take it to the lower zones of, let's say, 22,000 to 22,100 mark, 150 mark. So there is something, I see some sort of breathing, but it is healthy in case if it happens. Okay, so if I go much deeper, let's say on hourly. Okay, so this gives me an ideal picture of how I could trade in intraday. The shorter the time frame, the shorter the respect to the levels, but still it might give some sort of at least what I say, some sort of idea it will. Anyhow, here you can see the 20, it's take actually to 19,800 on the hourly frame. We can still see 19,800 mark as well. This is what is a strong base for hourly chart. But if I go directly only on the first major support, it comes roughly at 22,000, 22,200. So still I am positive in Bank Nifty as long as it's about 22,000 close. It is still positionally it is strong. Intraday we have to look for scalp opportunities or good opportunities. That is a different case. So base 22,000, 22,150, hurdle in short 22,750, and for intraday now it is trading at 22,400. So let's see where it opens. So if it opens gap up, let's say 22,750, 22,800 would be ideal short trade for me. And let's say if it opens let's say flat, then kind of selling pressure might continue up to 22k. If it opens a huge gap down, let's say 22 250 kind of, so some sort of bounce and recoveries and all those, how it, let's see how it plays, and we'll discuss stock specific as well. So anyhow, have a good day and stay blessed.